Hey CodexWarrior, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our new series of essential Linux commands which are very much important. And today we are going to see, it is our first video. So we will see file system navigation commands which are very much required for you if you are beginners. So let us begin without any further delay. First of all, you have to open your terminal and let us increase its size by pressing CTRL and with pressing plus sign, it will increase its size. So the first command that we are going to see is the cd command, which stands for change a directory. It is used to change directory. For example, in Windows, we have folders. Under folders, either there is subfolders or files. Similarly, in Linux, at the place of folder, there is a directory which has either subdirectory or files. So to change directory, we have a cd command, and I hope you know Linux file hierarchy. There is a main folder which is called root. The root, there are many folders, user, bin, home, and all folders fall under that. Okay. So first of all, cd, and our main folder is root. If we want to go to root, we have to press forward slash, and it will send us to root. If no, you can see we are under root section. You can see sign over here. Okay. If we press cd, give a space and press tab, we can see all folders falling, all directories falling under it. For example, bin, home, and all other that you can see. So for example, now we want to go to home. For home, whether you are anywhere, whether you are in downloads folder or any subfolders, if you press title sign after cd command, it will send you to home. This is some basics. Okay. Now suppose we are in home and we want to go to some subdirectories of home directory. So press cd, give a space, and you suppose you don't know which directory fall under home. So simply after pressing space, you have to press tab, and it will name all directories which are available under home directory. Okay. So suppose I want to go under downloads directory. Okay. So I'll press D or W, and it's not compulsory for you to fill all. Just press some unique keywords, and thereafter you have to press tab, and it will fill automatically. Okay. So just press enter, and it will send you under that. This is cd commands, guys. And suppose when we come forward, now we want to go just one step backward. Suppose under the download folder also you can find some other directory, for example cd, and I don't know which directory subdirectory falls under it. So I'll press this tab, and I can see there are many directories. For example, I just go to just and press enter. Okay. Now I want to go back just one step back, not to home section. So what will I press? I'll press cd space dot dot. This will send me just one step back. Okay. And see, I'm back to download section. And if I want to go to home, I can just press cd dash dash, because after this one step back, it is home section. Or either simply I can press cd, yeah, title sign. Okay. And it will send me back. Okay. This is our first command which we discussed. Now, second command that we're going to see is pwd. Before that, I would like to tell you about a command called man, which will display manual. Okay. man is manual display command. So now we are going to see pwd. So first of all, if you want to see manual page of pwd, you have to press just man pwd and press enter. You can see pwd stands for print name of current directory. It simply prints path or name of that current working directory. Okay. And its syntax is pwd and option synopsis or syntax. Okay. Just press key q and just let us begin. For example, right now I'm in home section, you know that. So I'll press pwd, and it will print my current working directory. I'm in home and codex path. Okay. This is the use of pwd. It will be very important for us when we use move command or copy command. You can simply, if you are in very much a deep directory or files, for example, you have a folder under downloads, and downloads has a directory. Under directory there is another subdirectory, and there is a file. So you may not remember exact file path. You have to simply press pwd, copy the path, and simply you can move or copy whatever you want to do. You can do using that. Now the next one that we are going to see is mkdir. Mkdir is used to make directory. It is very much, if you can just make a directory using mkdir, you cannot create file. We will discuss how to create file in other video. So how to create the directory? So right now we are in home section. We just move to downloads. Download, just press tab, enter. Now we are in download section. Now we let us check how many directory we have. Sorry, subdirectory we have under it. When I press tab, there are three directories: T-bomb, just, and phone info. Okay. Now we want to create some other directory. For example, I want to create a directory named uh, just try, not just try. Okay. So let us create directory mkdir. This is the name of the command, and press space and just name the directory. I want to create try. Okay, and just press enter. Directory has been created. For example, now if we press cd space and tab, you can see now there are four directories: tbomb, just, phonifoga, and try. So you can use this mkdir command to create directory. Now if you want to remove directory, then there is another command called rmdir. Rm stand for remove, dir is stand for directory, similarly to mkdir. So rmdir, we are going to remove just directory. Okay, so press just and it will remove it. For example, if we want to see that, we'll press cd and press tab. It will so now there are only three directories: tbomb, phonifoga, and try, which we have created recently. Now there is another command called mv command. mv command, see, mv command stands for move. uh, that it can be used for two purposes. Number one is moving file from one uh, file or directory from one place to another and renaming it to. For example, there is a directory named try. I want to move it to documents folder. Okay, documents directory. So if I see, now let me see where I am. I'll press just pwd and I am under this section. Okay, of home codex downloads. I want to move this to where documents. What I do, I'll simply navigate to documents. First of all, I'll go back, press enter, and cd docker. This is unique. I'll just press tab, it will fill automatically. Now I am under it. Now what I'll do that I'll press mv. This is a syntax. First of all, let me show manual of mv command. See, if you say manual of mv commands, name mv, it's move or rename files. If you see its syntax, it is mv option source directory, and you can say this source directory and destination directory. Simply press q to quit it. And now what you have to do is press mv. What is our source directory? From which directory we are going to take it? We are going to take it from download. So just let us press this, because we are going to take from just directory. So home, under home there is a directory named downloads, under downloads there is a directory named just. And to which directory we are taking? To this current directory. If you have to denote your current directory, just press dot, it will be denoted. Okay, now we are moving which directory? Its name is, no, sorry, our directory name, because we have removed just directory, we have to bring try here. Okay, okay, this is our source and this is our destination. Wherever we want to bring, we'll just press enter, and we cannot start no such file or directory. Okay, why is it saying so? I am unable to understand. Oh, sorry, I have entered wrong path. Let me again enter it. Just to press my directory is sorry, my path is home, under whom there is a codex, and again there is forward slash, and under downloads there is a try. Okay, now it is fine. We will press enter, and I hope it has moved. Now for example, if you want to see that, we will press cd, 1 minute, cd space and just press tab. There is only one directory, so yeah, it automatically filled it. It is try. Now we saw that, guys, we just moved our try directory from downloads to documents. Now we have to rename it using mv command. Okay, so let us navigate to documents. Just press cd doc and press tab, enter. Now under documents, we can see that there is a directory named try. Now for that, what we are going to do is press mv. Okay, now we have to press our current name, which is try, and what we want to keep its name. We just want to name it anything. For example, I just want to name it just, and just press enter. Its name has been changed. Now if we press ls, which is used to list, all other contents. We'll just press enter, and you can see at the place of try here is just. So these are some basics command used for file navigation system. I forgot to mention one, which is called ls command. It is used to list items falling under directory or subdirectory. For example, if we want to see how many files fall under it or directories fall under it, we'll simply press ls and press enter, and it will name all. For example, there is anonymized.sh, mac.sh, and all this. There is only one directory, that is try, which is denoted by blue, right, guys? For example, if we check manual page of ls command, which is very important, you need to know this command. Ls used to list directory content. For example, we were in documents directory, and you saw that there all its content were mentioned over there. So now simply let us press q by qt. I hope this video was helpful, guys. I would recommend you to use manual command and see all basics and read basic commands and read about that. It will help you a lot. uh, that's it for today's, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. To comment, give a like to our video, and to subscribe. See you another video, guys. Happy hacking.